Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use transparent materials in Eevee. So to set this up, I have a brick wall, an object I want to see through it, and I want this to be a window. Simple enough. But when I go to my object and material on the window, and I lower the alpha, we don't get anything showing up. So step one to transparent materials in Eevee is going down to your blend mode and switching it to alpha blend. And now, as you can see, we can control the alpha. But this is a okay way to do it, but there's a better way to do it. If we go to shading, we can actually remove the principled BSDF by hitting X with it selected. We can hit Shift A and search for a transparent BSDF, and then we can plug that into the surface. Obviously, we still need to have the blend mode set to alpha blend, and then from here, we can change the color and everything. We can even mix it with other stuff as well. And now we sort of have a tinted window that we are looking through. But yeah, that's how you can make basic transparent materials in Eevee. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that helped you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in the next one.